got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you...
Hey loves, welcome back to the channel, and I'm so excited to be with you today. This video is an instant cleaning motivation video. So the purpose of this video is when you don't have the time to sit down and watch the longer videos but still need that motivation, you can quickly watch the video and then dive into your own to-do list. I like to personally watch instant cleaning motivation videos because they give me just the right amount of motivation to tackle my own cleaning to-do list. But if you enjoy this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in.
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all. Still have so much I wanna talk about, but I messed it up and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, oh, 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 so close, closer than it felt before. And yeah, I know that I always hurt your feelings. Yeah, I know that you'll never be forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you.
I recently bought a new set of ceramic pots that I've hand washed and trying to fit into the drawers here. My last set was completely worn down and whatever I cooked was sticking to the bottom. And the old set was about 3 years old. I bought them, I remember, on a Black Friday sale. I love this pretty turquoise color and have used them twice now and really love them so far. I'll try to find a link for them and put them in the description box if you need a new set and want to check them out. They were reasonably priced. I did a ton of research on them and they came with a 3-piece cooking utensil set.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making
Here I'm just going to quickly wipe down this table and put back my runner and just make sure the table is all tidied up.
You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me.
So how many of you feel like you're constantly doing laundry? My washer and dryer are constantly going, that along with the dishwasher. So those 3 things are constantly running. So I'm going to be folding here some laundry. Some of it was not completely dry, so I had to let it run again. And meanwhile, there is a wash in the washing machine.
I can't believe what you brought. You took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it,
How many of you love clean sheet day? It's the best feeling in the world to get into a clean bed after a long day. I'm going to be putting the clean sheets on and make my bed. Then I have another load of laundry that I'm going to fold and put away. And in a couple minutes you'll see my son come in, and he's trying to convince me to drive him to meet his friends. And I'm going to tell you, he can be pretty charismatic when he wants to.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I
In this room, I had made the bed earlier in the day, and really all it needed now was just a quick dusting.
more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my
I finally went ahead and splurged on these Betty's Betties for the bunk beds in the boys' room, and I really like them. It makes making the bed so much easier. If you guys watch my old videos, you'll see me struggling so much to make these beds. I am thinking of getting them also for the girls' room. They also have bunk beds in there, but all of the colors that they like are out of stock, so I'm on the waiting list for a couple of them. But I know they're a little bit pricey, but seriously, just for the ease of making the bed, and it's really easy for them to make their beds too, I find that it's really worth it.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked.
So I just wanted to take a quick second to show you a pillow that I got from Target for my son. It's just super cute. I didn't even cut the tag off yet so that you can see it, but it's just so cute and fluffy, and he's really loving it. So I just want to show it to you real quick in case you're looking for something similar. So this is the pillow. I know it's not that big of a deal, but he loves having like these long body pillows. And then the brand, so it's got gray and white stripes, really subtle, and then on the end it's got this fringe, and the brand is, there we go, so Okotex is the brand, and Confidence in Textures, or Textiles, Confidence in Textiles is what it says. But like, it's just so fluffy, and I seriously would love to have this one like this for my bed. So I'm gonna go back or check online and see if it comes in other colors, and maybe I'll add it, but I just want to share it real quick because I think it's just so cute. Alright you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you got tons of motivation. You need to tackle your to-do list. If you enjoy this type of video, please comment down below so I can make more of these videos for you. Also comment down below and say hi. I will see you all in my next video. Love you. Bye.